Hey, what's up guys? Justin here with Factor 55. We're at Warren Industries in Clackamas, Oregon. Today we're actually gonna be putting front and rear bumpers on a 2021 diesel Gladiator. So we're in the Warren garage. Check it out in here. We just had a little walk through of the facility, also through the service center. And now we're gonna get all set up, put the bumpers on the Gladiator. Stick with us. One more. We just got done putting bumpers on our 2021 diesel Gladiator. We got the Warren Industries crawler bumper up front. We got an 8274 winch, classic. We also got Warren Elite rear bumper, all set up and ready to go. So cool to be able to be a part of the Warren family of brands and to be here representing Factor 55, Warren Industries. Doesn't get better than that, man. We out.